we're looking into the new invoicing machine that ZRA has introduced. That's called the EFD, popularly known as the EFD, meaning the electronic fiscal device. And today in particular, we'll be looking at the FCR, which stands for Fiscal Cash Register. So one would wonder, what is an EFD or what is an FCR? So an EFD is particularly an electronic fiscal device that has the ability to generate a tax invoice and various other reports and virtually transmit this information to the ZRA system, which allows us to do online audits as well as monitoring. So what are the benefits of using this EFD? This EFD has various benefits both to the taxpayer and the institution and the country as a whole. In that, firstly, it allows for us as a revenue institution to monitor tax compliance, hence increasing tax revenue, which is our tax, your tax, our destiny. So today we'll be looking into how to use this machine in particular, because many people have this machine, but some are wondering, how do I use it? So we'll start with the basics. So when we turn on our machine, we come to our main menu, which is administrator mode. So under administrator mode, we have various components: the sales mode, tax management, invoice management, stock management, report mode, business management, system management, and invoice message center. So I'll run you through this basically by starting with our main components, which is adding stock, because in particular, if this machine doesn't have stock, you can't make a sale. So we'll start by adding stock, which is 4 under stock management. Add goods. So in particular, these numbers here are numbers associated to the good. So you can add a service or a good. So we'll start with adding a good. We'll say coffee. So this keypad is like our old phones. You have to keep typing to get to the letter that you want. So we'll say coffee and tax code. You press enter. We have various tax code here: standard rated, MTV, zero rated, exempt, and insurance premium levy. And I'll make emphasis that this machine is mandatory for use for all VAT tax registered, or for all VAT registered taxpayers, as well as those under insurance premium levy. So coffee is standard rated, and hence we'll select 1. Barcode is not a compulsory option, but if you do enter the barcode, the numbers should be in full. So we'll enter the price. We'll assume our coffee is 15 kwacha. Then we have stock control. So stock control simply means, do you want the machine to take account for your stock, which is one of the benefits on the side of the seller. So if you want it to take stock, you can say enable, meaning every time you sell, it reduces the quantity of stock. So you just have to be sure what you have in your stock. So we'll say 20 coffee. Adds good success. Once it says that, meaning the good has been added. Then we'll add a service. So we can say construction. So we keep typing. Remember, you keep typing till you get to the letter. To cancel, you can use the C. To go back, you use the escape button. Construction, okay. Okay, so once we're done, we do the same. Tax code 16%, enter. So we'll skip the barcode because the service doesn't have a barcode. Then we enter the price. For a service, please note that we won't put a particular price because services vary depending on who it's rendered to and how it's done. So we'll put 1, and then as the tutorial goes on, I'll be able to show you how to assign an actual price to that. You can't take stock for a service, so we disable.